Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how to copy a folder to move it to a new location on your device via Adobe Bridge in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So let me launch Adobe Bridge on my desktop computer. Make sure that you log into your Adobe account. And what you want to do is click into the Folders tab at the top. You may enable it by clicking the window here and select Folders, or not uncheck, but check the Folders button here if you don't see the tab here. So next you will see the overview. To the left you will see the favorites, or folders that have been made favorites, the entire folders overview for your entire computer or for your device. And here to the right you will see the overview of the selected folder. I will go with this location here. Right click into a given folder. You may use either copy and then use Ctrl V in the new destination or location, or you may use copy to, and then you will see an overview of, for example, recent folders, favorites, libraries, as well as specific folders. So click into choose folder, select the destination folder to move the given folder to that new location. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.